I want to renew my request that the court permit us to be orderly. We are now about to hear a second speech, a third speech, a fourth speech. This court, as we have been told by the senior most advocate here, is a court of record. What application are we hearing so that we on this side can prepare to respond? We cannot respond to speeches. There is an application here, if I may, the Honorable P.K. Moite. There is an application for the recusal of judges. It is the right of my learned colleagues to bring such an application. But having brought it, they should then confine themselves to it. Then we can respond to it. But we cannot sit here the whole afternoon